Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon. It's time for another unboxing. When I was at IFA in Berlin, Germany, I ran into the Minix folks and they were selling some of these little USB port replicators. And what's neat about this one is that it has storage built in addition to giving you additional ports. And when I got back, I ordered one on Amazon. This cost about $100 and it's got 240 gigabytes of solid-state storage built in. And you also get the benefit of some of the other ports that you gain when you plug this into your device. Now, they're saying this is only for the MacBook, but this would probably work with any USB-C device. I'll be testing it on my MacBooks as well as on my Surface Go tablet in the full review that you'll see soon on my main channel at lon.tv. And this is what it looks like. It's very similar to many of the other USB-C docks or port replicators we've seen out there. But again, you've got the benefit of the storage. So what you got here is a USB-C port here for power. So when you plug in your power adapter here, it will pass power through the cord to your laptop in addition to giving you the other three ports that it has on it. It's got HDMI out. This only supports 4K at 30 frames per second, so you won't get the 60 hertz out of the 4K, but 1080p should run at 60 hertz, so that's something to think about. And you've got two USB 3 ports here, and again, the storage is built in. It will act like an external drive. We'll see what kind of power output we get over the USB-C power delivery. It looks like if you are plugging power in, you'll get 2 amps out of the USB ports here, but I probably wouldn't charge your USB devices through this. I would just use it for connecting external devices to it. And again, you got your USB-C connector there. You get a little pouch to carry it in. That's very nice. And then there's a little instruction manual inside of here to give you some guidance as to how to use it. So stay tuned. We're going to have more on this on the main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned. It looks like a pretty cool little device. They were showing one at the show that isn't out yet that also has gigabit Ethernet on the end of it. So you'd have storage, ports, and Ethernet, which I think would be a great device to have. So maybe we'll get that one in when it comes out. Lots more to see on this one. Stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.